Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate data enrichment on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, select profile icon, select access Zoho CRM. After getting on the home page, go with the settings icon, scroll down and select this data enrichment option. Now select this option right here. Now you can see this deactivate button on the bottom line right here. Now just select it and now select yes deactivate button. And now guys, you have successfully deactivated your data enrichment on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.